Yes, so I want to do a quick video that shows how to update your Simplex node. So we have our Simplex running currently. This is our dashboard. You can see it's running. It's been up for about 4 minutes now. So let's say we want to update Simplex. What do? First, we stop our container. We can as well just delete it without stopping, but yeah, we stop it, then we delete it. It's safe to do that. And why is it safe to do that? Because we are running a persistent volume, right? So we are running this volume that saves our data, and so we don't have to go through the entire configuration process again. So delete the container, then we go to images, basically come here, and in order to update Simplex, we pull the latest image. We select this hamburger menu and pull, and if there is any updates available, the updates will be pulled, right? So look at the status, image is up to date, and then we run a new container again, and we use the same. We can name this, give this whatever name we like, or leave it blank. A random name will be selected. Use the ports number, the port numbers that are here, we use them, and for this we're going to use the same volume that we have that as our data saved, and then we run. Right, and when we come to our Simplex dashboard, we have to refresh it, and it's back on, and we don't have to go through the entire configuration process. Our previous addresses are here, our previous values are saved and intact. So this is how to update your Simplex node. Thank you.